The genetic material in your system, it will get weaker. The moment you make the next generation less than who we are, we have committed a crime against humanity. You have always believed once you have land, it is for generations. Well, it is not so right now. Land may become a liability if we don't take care of the soil. Land will not be an asset, it will be a terrible liability if you do not take care of the soil. There is enough scientific study to today tell you, your body and my body, how strong it is, not just of muscular strength, essential strength in the body of our existence. This is determined by the kind of soil not only that you eat from, the kind of soil that you walk upon. The genetic material in your system, it will get weaker. If the soil gets weak, there is substantial study to suggest this. Now, what we are talking about is making the next generation less than who we are. The moment you make the next generation less than who we are, we have committed a crime against humanity. Next generation should be one step ahead of us, not behind us. But this is what we are doing because once the soil becomes weak, the very genetic material becomes weaker than the way it is, than the way it was given to us by our parents. We are not passing that on because we are walking and living on a soil which doesn't have strength, because this body is just the soil that we walk upon, isn't it? So, problems, everybody generally knows what is the problem. Right now you have land, you have no trees, you have no animals. How will the organic material go into it? The only two ways is the leaf of the tree and the waste of the animals. This is the only way you can enrich the land. Domestic animals, there must be enough animals to enrich the soil, otherwise soil will die. Here in a coffee plantation, you have enough trees always standing because you need the shade for your crops. So there is substantial leaf material falling, there is humus. Please just drive down, not even to Mysore, drive down to K.R. Nagar and just look at the soil, how it is, it's dead or no? Huh? You look at the soil here, walk into the mountains, pick up a fistful of soil, go down to K.R. Nagar or Mysore, pick up a fistful of soil, you will see it's really dead.
So the idea is to bring focus to soil, everybody that you can influence. From 21st of March, for 100 days, we want everybody to talk about soil for 100 days on the planet. So we're bringing together lots of influencers, scientists, political leaders, heads of state, UN agencies, everybody together, so that the world's conversation for 100 days will be about soil. Whatever you write, any message, your email, WhatsApp, TikTok, whatever you do, you must sign off Save Soil. The whole world should talk soil, because if we don't talk soil right now, if we do not shift the narrative in that direction, we will be very sorry. Every responsible scientist in the world is clearly saying by 2045, we will be producing 40% less food than what we are producing right now, and our population will be over 9 billion people, all right? That's not a world you want to live in, where there are food shortages, 40% food shortage and increased population is not a world you want to live in, is not a world in where you want to leave your children. So we can change that right now by shifting the narrative towards soil. Let's make that happen.